Back in Tech IVP channel. So Tech is in last video we discussed about JVM, which is really one of the important topic for the Java programming. And in the last tutorial, I was already told you in upcoming session we'll discuss about JDK, JRE, JVM, and the one is the most important thing is JIT compiler. What is JIT? Just in time. So let's start. But before moving to next step, please like, share, and subscribe this channel to get more amazing stuff about interview preparation. So let's start, guys. So the first one is the overview. If we talk about the overview, JRE, sorry, JDK, JRE, and JVM. All three are interdependent. All three are interdependent. In upcoming slide, we'll see how these are interdependent. But for the time, you can just keep in your mind all are interdependent component and essential to Java development and execution. Java development programs to create the Java program and its program execution. So all threes are required. And one more important thing, JVM is platform independent. Platform independent means every machine, every operating system have its own JVM. Linux have own JVM, Windows have own JVM, and the Mac have own JVM. Okay. So next point is what is JDK? What is JDK? JDK. JDK means Java Development Kit. Kit means a package. Kit means a package. You have a package. You have a package. Okay. It's called kit. Okay. So in this package, what exactly you have? All the things. All the things means JRE and JVM and some important files which are required to do Java programming. Okay, kit means a bag. Okay, so Java develop. What do you mean by then? Java development kit. A Java development kit is a useful feature software development. Kit is used developer to create Java application. In this kit, all the necessary files, folders are available which are required to execute your Java programs and it include JRE includes sorry JDK includes JRE and the JVM also. Okay, in upcoming slide we'll discuss is this how these are exist. Okay, and how these are interdependent. Okay, development tool. What kind of development tool you got with the JDK? First one is a JRE, then Java C compiler and Java launcher and Java doc GDB debugger and many more. Okay, second thing, platform dependent, separate installer for the Mac, Windows, and the Linux. JDK is different for every machine. Okay, JDK is different for every machine. Mac have own JDK, Linux has own JDK, and Windows have own JDK. And version specific, Java version is denoted by JDK version. Okay, Java version is denoted by JDK version. Okay, if you want to check your check what exactly what version is installed in your system, then what you can do, you can simply type cmd in the run command in the run pop-up and type there java version, then you got. Let's see how you can see. Okay, let me type here cmd. Okay, cmd, and let me type here java space minus version. So then it will show me java version. Okay, JDK version is 24. It's a Java version. Okay, so I hope you got the point. Now, if we talk about JDK architecture, so JDK architecture, guys, so JDK architecture consists of the JRE and Java development tools. And what Java development tools? Java C means Java compiler, jar files, okay, Java docs, JDB, many more, or multiple things. It really consist. Okay, all required features which is required for the Java programming. Okay, The next one is, what is JRE? JRE is a Java runtime environment. JRE is Java runtime environment of the JVM. JRE is Java runtime environment for implementation of JVM. It provides Java class files, class libraries, Java virtual machine, other files need to run Java application. Okay, used by user system that only needs to run Java apps, not develop them. Include base library, GUI support, and development technology. Okay, so this one is the architecture, guys. This one is the architecture. Java application, class loader, then bytecode, and it after that your JVM will be work. And in the JVM, in the last tutorial, in the last video, we already discussed about the JVM in the detail. How JVM will be work. JVM have class loader, execution engine, and the it will convert into the machine language native interface. Then your program will be executed. Okay. Java runtime environment is a part of the Java development kit. We already in the last slide we already discussed about JRE is a part of Java development kit. Responsible for running application, it provides the library Java virtual machines, and JRE provides JVM Java virtual machine. This one is a runtime. This one is a runtime environment, and this one is your virtual machine. Virtual, which does not which one is virtual machine is this thing is exist, but you can't see, but actually it works. Okay, but actually it works. Suppose you are a cricket player. You are a cricket player. Okay, so you are going to play a match. So what exactly you want? You need a firstly a kit. You need a kit. In this kit, what exactly? Bat, ball, dress, and pads. This one is your kit. Okay, and there stamps already you want you need. Okay, so all the things is combined is called kit. So in that way, in the similar way, JDK is a kit. JDK is a kit which allows us to perform Java program execution or build a Java programs. Okay, and in this JDK we have JRE and then JVM. Okay, so I hope guys you understand how these things are working. So come on the next slide. If we talk about the component of the JRE, so the component is the JRE is JVM. JVM execute Java bytecode dot class file, handle memory management, garbage collection, security. In the last tutorial we already discussed. If you are not watch this video, please go through this video. Then you can get more knowledge. You can get depth knowledge about this JVM. How JVM will be work internally. Okay. The next point is Java class libraries. Okay, Java. What is a class libraries? Class library means pre-written Java code for the function like handling, networking, data structure, and many more things. These are the predefined libraries. These are predefined set of code which is used to handle your communication between hardware in the network or with the data structure. Okay, class loader is compiled dot class file. Class loader compiled your dot class file. Class file, how class file was will be created. So suppose you have a program public class A. Okay, this one is your program. Then now what is there is your code. This one is your code. Now what exactly the name of this file? What exactly the name of this file? So the name of this file is a dot class. A dot class. So class loader will be compiled this file into memory when required. Then Java native interface enable Java code to call or be called by the native application and the library written in the another language like C or C++. Okay. Now come on the JVM. In the JVM last tutorial we already discussed in the depth how JVM is work, what are the class loader, what is the memory management, and how your code will be executed. Okay, but here we are just gonna just we are discussing just the overview here. Okay, so what is JVM? JVM means Java Virtual Machine. It's specification that defines a runtime environment for executing Java bytecode. It abstract, not software itself, and can have multiple implementation like Oracle Hotspot and the J9, Open J9. And responsibility of JVM is load class file, verify code, execute code. Already we discussed in the last video. And the memory management. JVM also support other languages like Kotlin, Scala and Groovy, and the compiled in the other many more language. It will be support. Okay. Relationship and interdependency. How these are interdependent. So see, JDK, JDK, and it contains JRE. Just give me a moment. Slide gonna mismatch. Yeah. JDK, it contains JRE, and JRE contains JVM. Got? Did you understand? If you not, let me draw again. This one is your JDK. Okay, this one is your JDK, and this JDK what exactly contains? JRE, JRE, and this JRE contains JVM. Okay, suppose you are a cricket player, so you need a package or a bag. You want to go somewhere to play a match. Then what you will do? So in that way you take a kit for like a bat, ball, stem pads or the pad, multiple things you need, dress you need. So what you will do? You will take a bag. In this bag all the things. The major thing is what? Bat and ball. This one is the important thing. This one is a, if you have no pad, if you have no shoes, no dress, but you can play match using the bat or ball. So that in the that way. Okay. And JRE is a ground where you are playing, where you are playing match. And JVM, how JVM will be work? JVM internally work once you have to be put your ball. You don't know how ball is coming and how this will be force your air, how it will be hit your bat, and how again you are hitting ball and it will be go outside the boundary. So this thing is under the JVM, which actually exists but you can't see. I hope you got the point. Okay. JVM is the heart of the Java ecosystem. JVM is one of the most important thing. Okay. Okay. JR is a house. See, JR is a house, and JDK is a toolkit used to build the house and engine. So I hope guys you get understanding about the complete understanding about JDK. If we talk about the difference between JDK toolkit for the development, GR is the environment, and JVM is a run specification for the execute bytecode. If we talk about the component wise, JRE plus development tools, JVM plus library, okay, only runtime engine. Purpose, develop, compile and debug Java application, run Java apps and execute your code. Okay, include compiler, debugger and Java docs, JVM and core classes. This one is JVM is a exactly execution engine. Platform dependency, yes, yes, but here no. Specification of platform independent. Uses, need of the development. Again, need for the development, but GRE need for the running apps. GRE, see here. JDK need for the development, GRE need for the running apps, and JVM needs for the byte execution to compile your code and execute in the machine level language. Okay. Tools. What are the tools consist of JDK, GRE, and JVM? The tools consist of Java C. Java C means Java compiler, Java doc, and the JDB, Java database. No execution only. Okay. And here no tool, just execution. I hope you get the difference between all the things. And if we talk about the JIT means just in time, and why it is used. Just in time compiler is a part of the Java virtual machine that improves the performance of Java application by compiling bytecode into the native machine code at the runtime. Once your program is going to be executed, that time JIT will be work. Just in time will be work. Just in time is in a millisecond it will be executed. Okay. Why JIT is needed? For the bytecode, it is a platform independent, but it is not directly executed by the CPU. Bytecode, it is platform independent, but it is not directly executable by the CPU. So how it will be executed? In that way, we can use interpretation. Interpreter we can use. It is slower, bit slower. Already we discussed about this one. Jet compile frequently use code into the native machine code, so CPU can execute it directly, leading to much faster performance. Okay, JIT compiles frequently. Okay, your byte code is a platform dependent but not directly executed by the CPU. Guys, see here, see here, see here. Okay, it's not directly executed. So in that way, what exactly we have to do? JIT will be perform your native machine codes and the CPU can execute it directly. Without this is not possible. Okay, so that's why JIT is required here. Okay, and how it works? See here for the example, you have a source code, you have a Java source code, and the bytecode is dot class file. Your source code, then it will be compiled by Java compiler. Okay, then it comes into the JVM where your JRE will be performed. Java runtime environment will be performed here. Okay, and will the combination of the JVM. Okay, then your code will be interpreted and then hot code. If yes, then it will be executed. Else, now next pointer is JIT will be work for fraction of second. Okay, JVM load your bytecode and starting interpreting when method or block is called frequently JIT detect the hotspot. What exactly your hotspot? This one is a hot code. Hotspot means from where you are connecting to multiple things, or you have to divide your execution in a multiple ways, in a multiple lines. Okay, future call to that code executed directly skipping interpretation. Okay, so I hope guys you get understanding about JDK, JRE, and the JVM, and also JIT. Okay, so please like, share, and subscribe this channel to get more amazing stuff about interview preparation. Because guys, we are here in this series only for the interview preparation. We didn't go here in the complete detail how this will become from the Oracle will be develop all the things, but just we are preparing here for the interview, nothing else. This one is a only interview preparation. So that please like, share, and subscribe this channel to get more amazing stuff about interview preparation. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye.